What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Sticks, man, and welcome back to another video with 440,000. I know, guys, I've been kind of MIA for a little bit, but I just haven't been driving the car, really, to be honest. I just been, dealing with some stuff and whatnot, but I can't leave you guys hanging and stuff like that. So today I'm gonna take you guys out for a little spin. You guys know what we do here is just pretty much drive my car, just POV drive it and just have fun with it. As a matter of fact, look, we have some gas today. I know it may come to a surprise to a lot of you guys. As a matter of fact, it's a surprise to myself. But yeah, we have some gas. Gotta do a couple things today, so I figure why not take you guys with me, do a little POV, talk to you guys a little bit. If you guys are not following me on TikTok, your boy is posting a whole bunch of clips of me just POV driving the car. So if you guys want to see little short clips of me, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. And if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, because why not? Yo, you know what's crazy? So now daylight savings went back to went back an hour. Well, here in New York, I don't know how it is everywhere else, but yeah, an hour difference now. So now it's literally 4:29, right? And it feels, or it looks like it's way later. That's the good thing about it, is that you do get to sleep a little bit more. Not that it went back 1 hour, but yeah, I'm still getting used to that, which is a little bit weird. But let's go ahead and have some fun with you guys, bro. Put the window back a little bit. I'm not really gonna do too much talking, you guys. I just kind of want you guys to just hear the car and just enjoy it, to be honest, Ooh, that was crazy. I never actually used this, what is this thing called? Whatever this thing is called, I never use it to downshift or upshift. I usually do my paddles, but right now I'm using it. Should have passed by those kids going crazy, but there's cameras around the school. Your boy don't want a freaking school speeding zone. I feel like it's more responsive when you do it here. Maybe it's the same, I don't know. Good thing about the weather recently, it hasn't been cold, super cold. Tomorrow's supposed to be 67 degrees. Today it's a little bit cool on the cooler side, but it's not crazy, you know what I mean? And then yesterday's, I think this past weekend, it was actually really warm out too, which was finally, oh yeah, I finally changed my freaking oil. I don't know if you guys seen the previous video where I was talking about changing my oil. So we finally got that done. Oh yeah, I need to go do something here actually. Good thing I came this way. But I'll be going to my old crib to see if we got an old letter, because I've been waiting on something, but I forgot about that, and then I came this way, so I might as well stop by. But yeah, the weather hasn't been that crazy, and we're literally in November, and it's it's not that bad. So hey, if we can keep it up like this, I know it's probably bad for global warming and all that, but what is that? Look at the M340 right here. Clean bean, potato, tomatoes. Alright, y'all, I'll be right back. Let me see if I got some mail. Alright, folks, and just like that, we back. It's getting darker so fast now. It's literally not even 5 yet, and as you guys can see, it's pretty dark out already. Oh, there's a cops right there. Let me chill, don't bother me. You don't even look this way. Damn, I missed the summer already, bro. I feel like once it gets colder out, it's you don't really do that much car things once it's cold out, bro. Once the snow comes, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I'm not gonna really drive this car like that. This car is not the best in the snow, so I know last year it didn't really snow that much, so it wasn't that bad. Let me turn this light on the bottom here. So it didn't even snow that bad last year. I think we got 2 or 3 days of snow last year, so hopefully this year we don't get much snow either. I don't care if it gets cold, as long as I don't have any snow, bro. That's it, because that way I can still drive this car, and the snow, this car is not the best with the snow, so that's why we don't like snow over here, man. Gotta move somewhere warm that's not crazy warm like Texas all the time, but warm. feel like I don't drive this car like correctly sometimes, so like I'm trying to actually enjoy the car more. It's just that I'd be like honestly kind of not scared, but I just don't want nothing to break, because I know that this car has a couple little things, like minor tweaks that I need to do to it. So I've been trying to baby it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do baby this car a lot. And so like the past couple times that I've driven it, I've been kind of actually like pushing the car more, actually like, you know, cutting up a little bit, enjoying the car instead of like babying it. Because like unless I'm making a video, I used to just, you know, drive in comfort, laid back, no speeding or like nothing crazy. But like nowadays I'm just kind of trying to enjoy it as much as I can, because like I don't know, you never know how long you will have it for, and me babying it every day, it's just like, you know, you gotta just enjoy it, and whatever happens. You know, obviously you want to do it safely, but just try to enjoy anything you guys have, bro, because you don't know how long it will be here for, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get all, you know, not emotional, but I don't want to, you know what I'm trying to say, bro. Yeah, I know what I'm trying to say, bro. But yeah, I went to pick up a letter and there was nothing there, bro. There was one thing and it was some nonsense. So yes sir, hopefully the highway is not packed, because I mean it is like 4 or 5. Well, it's not bad. This time is when everybody's coming out of work and stuff, so usually it's a little bit more traffic, but so far not so bad. See, we find somebody on the way, trying to have some fun, but I don't know what you trying to do, bus. Gotta be careful, because there are usually some cops that stand right at that exit over here in the corner. So, but besides that, we should be clear. Like right where that help car is at, that's where they be sitting too. That sounded crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Nah, I'm going wildin'. I'm wildin', I ain't gonna lie. This car's wildin' with them downshifts. Oh, actually guys, I do got an announcement for you guys, man. So I'm really working on a little project for you guys. So your boy's coming out with a sweater, coming out very soon. I'm just trying to figure everything out right now. You know, I got the design, I've been working on it for a while now, and I've always wanted to do merch, you know, and I just didn't know how to go about it. And I honestly was afraid that like nobody would buy it, but like knowing me, like the stuff that I want to put out for you guys is gonna be like high quality, it's gonna look nice, you know, simple but clean, just like the car, simple but clean. I actually posted it on my Instagram, and that was just me, like the start. That wasn't like the final product or anything like that. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have seen it. But yeah, I'm working on a little project for you guys, so you guys can, you know, check it out. But I'll let you, don't worry, let me follow this Honda though. I'll let you guys know once it's, you know, done and stuff like that. But I've always wanted to do something really, like, you know, something cool for you guys. And it's gonna be a sweater. The winter's right around the corner, so I want you guys to stay warm, looking clean. So stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm gonna drop it. I'm still trying to figure out, you know, where to get it from, because I need, you know, good quality. But good quality costs a lot out of money, so I'm trying to find a good deal where, you know, I'm just, you know, where I can afford it, honestly. So I'm still trying to figure it out, because I've never dropped any merch, I've never done anything like that, so I'm still working on figuring that out. But stay tuned guys, because that is gonna be a really nice clean sweater for you guys, bro. Or sweatshirt, sweater, I don't know what the difference is between the two, to be honest, but don't worry, y'all see it, and hopefully y'all like it. and stuff like that. So, but yeah, that was my little announcement. Yeah, this car's sounding aggressive right now, bro. All right. Ooh! Oh my goodness, bro. That thing is crazy, bro. You know, I think it sounds louder in the winter. I don't know if it's because it's colder out or what, but I feel like the car sounds a lot louder and more aggressive when it's cold out. Maybe it's because it's colder out. I think that's my guess. I don't know. That's an S4. That thing moved, ain't it? I don't know who that is, but his car moves. That thing looks clean, bro. Hey, out. My phone even flew somewhere. I don't know where it went, but it went somewhere. It would have been nice to find him on the highway so we can cut up, but literally found him right at freaking Ridge Hill, bro. Yes, sir. All right, well, we're pretty much here on my next stop, which is the gym. You guys know I like going to the gym and all that stuff. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. Follow me on all social medias. I love you guys. Stay tuned for the merch drop and all of that. I appreciate you guys so much, man, for showing up for the kid and all of that. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.